Hi, greetings! Today we'll learn how to connect 3 two-way switches and also discuss how 4 two-way switches can be used, just for understanding purposes. How to connect 3 two-way switches. Place 3 two-way switches in your workspace as shown. The phase line should pass through a breaker and connect to the middle point of the first switch. Link the top and bottom terminals of the first and second switches together. The middle point of the second switch should now connect to the third switch, instead of the lamp. Cross-connect the top and bottom terminals of the second and third switches. Connect the lamp to the middle point of the third switch. The neutral line should go directly to the lamp. Double-check that all connections are secure and the correct cable sizes are used. Once verified, you can safely switch the circuit on. This setup allows the lamp to be controlled from any of the 3 switches, ideal for long corridors or staircases. Always follow electrical safety rules. That's it. Great job. Understanding 4 two-way switches, concept only. This setup is not commonly used, but it's helpful for learning purposes. Use 4 two-way switches and a double pole breaker. Two of the switches will be used to control the phase line. The other 2 switches will control the neutral line. With this setup, both phase and neutral lines are switchable. Providing full control of the lamp using 4 switches. Again, this is just for understanding, not a standard practice in most installations. Hope this lesson was helpful. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.